Good morning, dear students and parents. Welcome to online classes. Today I am teaching Science of Class 4, Block 5. Before I start my block, it's my humble request to the parents that please have these resources ready with you. You need one chart paper. If you don't have chart paper, you can take A4 size pages also. 5 sketch pens. If you don't have sketch pens with you, you can take simple pen or pencil also. And resource sheets of animals with caption these. So you have to take a sheet of animals that have these animals in it. Spread worksheet S1, content book and your notebook. Parents, it's a humble request to you that please, when I ask the question, pause the video, give your words some time to think, and then unpause the video to get the answer. So students, when you used to come to school, you must be coming by bus or by bike with your father, or some of you, those who are grown up enough, might be using your bicycles. So all of these vehicles that you are using is means of transportation, and all of these uses land. So students, now tell me some more vehicles name that uses different means of transportations. One is ship that uses water as a means of transportation. One more you can think of is aeroplane that uses air as a means of transportation. Now tell me some animals name. Yes, cow is there, buffalo is there, dog is there, cat is there. And what are the differences that they have? Yes, they all are different in looks. They all have different food to eat. And what are the similarities? They all move in the search of food. So students, that is our today's topic. And our topic is sorting animals into groups. And the aim that we are going to achieve today is to conclude the physical features are an easy way of sorting animals into groups. So students, I hope you all are ready with your resources. The sheet of animals that is present in your workbook, you can refer to those pictures. As I didn't have those pages, so I am using this pics. I will just show the pics once, and later on I will guide you how you have to do the activity. This is goat, bat, owl, manna, eagle, goldfish, mashir, tortoise, ostrich, cat, shark, frog, cobra, meerkat, deer, tiger. Here student, I have used A4 size paper. If you have chart paper, you can use that also. Instead of sketch pen, I have used red color pen and blue color pen, and I have written animal name here as I don't have the workbook page. You can refer to those pic also. As I didn't have chart paper, I have used A4 size paper, and in place of sketch pen I have used red pen and blue ball pen. You can use chart paper and sketch pen as per your convenience. Just make your chart paper as attractive as you want. You can use all the sketch pens you want or your favorite color sketch pens. So I have made two tables. First, this table will sort the animals on the basis of their food habits, and this will sort the animals on the basis of their habitat. Here I have written carnivore. Carnivore animals are those that eat only flesh. ऐसे जानवर जो सिर्फ मीट खाते हैं वो कार्निवोर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लायन. देन इज ओमनिवोर. Omnivore animals are those that eats flesh as well as plants. Omnivore जानवर वो होते हैं जो मीट और पेट दोनों खाते हैं. Herbivore. Herbivore animals are those that eats plant only. Okay, I have one question for you. If you have a pet cat, where you will place that? Under which column you will place? if you have a pet cat and if you are a vegetarian, you are going to place it under herbivore because आप अपनी कैट को सिर्फ प्लांट से बनी हुई चीज़ें ही दोगे. अगर आप अपनी कैट को मीट भी देते हो और प्लांट से बनी हुई चीज़ें भी देते हो तो आप अपनी पालतू बिल्ली को ओमनिवोर में भी डाल सकते हो. So I have written all the animals name here. You have the pictures in your worksheet, but make sure that you have the pictures in your worksheet, but I would like you also to write the animal's name as I have written, because the pictures that you have is going to be used in your future activity also, so you need to keep them safe. So on the basis of their food habits, you have to sort the animals. Parents, please help your ward to finish this table. So in the end, your table will look like this. Under carnivore, I have written lion, tiger, cobra. Speaking of cobra, do you know cobra is the only snake that builds nest for its egg, and its average lifespan is 17.1 years. And 22 is the oldest verified age. So सबसे ज़्यादा लाइफ स्पैन रही है कोबरा की, वो 22 साल रही है. Then is our frog, sharks, eagle, owl. Under omnivore, I have written meerkat, machetes, goldfish, cat, manna, bat, ostrich. Speaking about ostrich, I would like to tell you some fun facts about it. Ostrich have 3 stomachs. Yes, you know, ostrich have 3 stomachs. And you know also, ostrich doesn't have teeth, and so it swallow pebbles. And you know why it swallow pebbles? So that it can digest its food. Okay, and you know, it's the only land animal that has biggest eye. Yes. Okay, now we are moving forward. That is herbivore. Under herbivore, I have written deer, tortoise, goat. Now we are going to distinguish animals on the basis of their habitat. Means वो कहाँ रहते हैं. First, this column is lives on land, जो कि ज़मीन पर रहते हैं, जैसे कि हम. Lives in water, जो पानी में रहते हैं, जैसे कि fish. Fly in air, जो हवा में उड़ते हैं, जैसे कि birds. So you are going to sort all these animals according to their habitat. We will get this table in the end. So the animals that lives on land are lion, tiger, deer, meerkat, cobra, tortoise, cat, ostrich, goat. You know, ostrich is a bird, but still it lives on land. It can't fly in air. Then is lives in water. Shark, machetes, goldfish. Then is fly in air. Eagles, manna, owl, and bat. So I hope this activity is clear to you. If it is not clear, please repeat your video again. See it again from the activity part. Parents, it's my humble request that please pause the video when I am asking you questions. Hear your word answer and then unpause the video and check the answers for clarification. Don't tell your word answer straight away. So your first question is a deer a herbivore, carnivore or omnivore? Where does it live? On land, in water, or it flies in air? So a deer is herbivore. That means it basically eats plants and it lives on land. Next question, is a frog a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore? Where does it live? Land, water or air? A frog lives both on land and water. A frog is carnivore. Is a tortoise a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore? Where does it live? Land, water or air? A tortoise is herbivore and it lives on land. Where does a meerkat live? A meerkat lives on land. Why is it not good idea to sort animals on the basis of their feeding habits and where they live? So it's often difficult to find out what an animal eats.
or where it lives. We would have to observe it for a long time to find this out. Why is it easy to use physical features to sort animals into group? We would look at different physical features like the number of eyes, the number of legs. They have to sort them. Physical features can be easily absorbed. Why is it not good idea to sort animals on the basis of their feeding habits and where they live? It is often difficult to find out what an animal eats or where it lives. We would have to observe it for a long time